Happy Earth Day, everybody! Thank you for joining us for this craft. And for this craft, you will need an X-Acto knife, an empty bottle, a pencil, and some yarn. With your X-Acto knife, you will cut a rectangle into the front of your plastic bottle. If you do not have an X-Acto knife, you can use a pair of scissors. If you are not old enough to handle sharp objects, please get a parent to do this part for you. X-Acto knives are very sharp, so be very careful when handling them. Next, you will use your X-Acto knife to poke 2 holes into the top of the bottle. After you make these 2 holes, you will take your yarn and push them through both sides. To make it easier, I found that putting the yarn on the hole that you made and pushing it through with the pencil will drag it right through. To get it through the other side, you do the exact same thing. If you are using a mechanical pencil, I found it very useful to wrap the yarn around the clip and then pull it through. Next, use your X-Acto knife to poke a hole where the pencil will sit. Then take your bird seed and fill it. You can fill it almost to the top. Ta-da! Thank you for joining us.